In this video, we're going to talk about whether you can use Nova with Axiom. And there's a quick answer to this, and it's yes, you can use Nova with Axiom, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, over here, once you have your Axiom account, you want to make sure, of course, you first have some Solana in the account, so you can go to deposit and deposit some Solana, and after that you can start trading with Nova and set it up. So first you want to go to this link, which is click.tradeonnova.io, or you can just use the link down below in the description to get a few % off your fees if you use my link, as well as you can skip the waitlist by just using my link, because when you try using Nova for the first time, sometimes it will put you into a waitlist where you have to wait a few hours, maybe even a few days if you want to start using it, but with my link down below, you'll be able to skip the waitlist and use it instantly. So check that out if you want to. Now, from here, once you go to the link, you'll be able to, over here, click download for Chrome, which will basically download the Nova extension and take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you have to press add to Chrome and then add extension. And after a few seconds, this will download and it will say Nova extension has been added to Chrome. Now, once you see this message, you can close it and close this tab. And over here, it will say connect Telegram over here on your screen. So click connect Telegram. And this is the screen you're going to be directed to. Now, it's also the screen that the link down below is going to direct you to. So from here, you can then just click Start Bot or Open in Web in case you want to use the web version. So Start Bot will open up the Telegram app on your computer, but if you don't have it installed, you can use Open in Web, which I'm going to do right now, and it's going to open up the web version of your Nova over here, okay? So what you then want to do is basically just click Launch Nova Click and then press Open. And from here, it's going to say, success, you're now connected to Nova Click, press Got it, and close this window. Now, after you do this, you can then go back to Axiom over here, and inside Axiom, you want to actually click on this icon, top right, where you can see the extensions, and you can pin yourself the Nova extension so you can access it easier with one click. Click on it, and then where it says disabled, click on the turn on button, and it will open up this extension, as well as refresh your Axiom trade website over here. And you can then go to any coin you want to trade. So for example, let's go to this one, it's a random one. You're going to be able to see this panel, which is the Nova panel. And you can go inside the extension again to basically set and change the preset buy amounts and preset sell amounts if you want to. And you can enable the Nova panel in case you can't see it. So in case this isn't appearing, what you want to do is click Enable Nova Panel over here, and it's going to show up on your screen. You can then move it around and start using it over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.